What's up guys, I hope each and every one of you is having a great day. Today I would like to make a quick video talking about 5 things that I hate about my 1999 Dodge Cummins. Now before I get into it, I just want to say that I actually really do like this truck a lot. It's been actually my favorite truck, except for of course the Toyota Crawler that I'm building. Only because that was the first truck I bought and it has a lot of sentimental value to me and stuff. But overall, this second gen Cummins has just been like, it really has been the best truck that I've owned. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm gonna start with the one that I actually hate the most, and that's the steering on my truck. The steering it's not great. It's not great. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did put a new tie rod on it, and that helped quite a bit. But the power steering is leaking, and the steering is pretty loose. It probably needs a new steering box. Dodges are just kind of notorious for having pretty bad steering, so it is kind of a Dodge thing. But even the guy at Les Schwab when I was getting in the line was like, second gen Cummins are pretty bad, but this one is exceptionally bad. So but the tie rod did help with that, and hopefully I can keep tightening things up with the new steering box and steering brace and stuff like that. So the next thing I want to talk about, and I apologize right off the bat too, you know, like normal, my truck is dirty. I don't know if I should keep apologizing for it or not, but yeah, the truck's just a little dirty. So coming to the front here, I do have a sport bumper, but I don't have a sport grille. But what I have here is like this gap, and it kind of looks like it's smiling, or it's like missing teeth or something like that. And it bothers me, and I really don't like it, but it's like, it doesn't bother me enough to like fix it yet, just because I have other things to fix too. But I will be getting to that in the future. Maybe I'll make a video about it, I don't know. Okay, third thing has to do with my exhaust and the exhaust tip. So I don't know, maybe you guys have a suggestion for me. Maybe I just bought like way too cheap of an exhaust tip, I don't know. But it looks like the tires kind of kick up little rocks and stuff, and it actually chips my exhaust tip. So it used to be like all shiny and nice, but now there's these little black dots all over it, and honestly it doesn't look very good. So that would be the third thing. I don't want to run mud flaps, so I'm not doing that, but I don't know, we'll see. If I get a stack, that would fix that. So yeah, but anyways, third thing, chips on the exhaust tip, big pain in the butt. Okay, wait, stop whatever you're doing right now. Stop. I want you to go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video for me. Really appreciate it. Do it. Do it. Thank you. Okay, so stepping inside the truck now here. Fourth thing is going to be the lack of visibility inside the truck. Now, overall I can see pretty well out of everywhere except for this corner right here. And that's because I have this gauge pod set up. And don't get me wrong, I really like the gauges, and like I'd much rather have them than not have them. It is kind of annoying when you're making a turn and there's a crosswalk or something and you have to watch for people, but then it's hard to see. And then I have like really dark tint, so at night it's even worse. And it's just a train wreck. Maybe I should just drive straight, not turn at all, I don't know. Okay, so last thing that bothers me about my truck that I hate is the little tiny mirrors that the second gen comes with stock. They're just little tiny guys. And I didn't actually realize how bad they were until I drove my dad's third gen Cummins with the big like flip out mirrors. And even when they're not flipped out, they're so much better than these little tiny things. I don't know what Dodge was thinking. Like when you're pulling a trailer, or even just driving around in general. They're coming for me. But even just driving around in general, like it's really hard to see. And it's kind of annoying. I know that you can swap out the smaller mirrors for bigger mirrors, and I definitely do plan on doing that. But for now, it's kind of annoying. They're just like these little tiny bubbles, and I'm just not sure what Dodge was thinking. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I noticed a lot of other guys that have diesel trucks and cars have been making these, so I wanted to put one out. In the near future, I'm gonna put a video out explaining 5 things that I love about my Cummins, which that video should be a lot easier to make because I really do love this truck. So keep an eye out for that. Until then, have a great day, and yeah, rock on.